नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। कृष्ण सुधामुपगते धर्म ज्ञानादिभिः सह कलौ नष्टदृशामेष पुराणार्कधुना उदितः। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, 9th canto, chapter 11. Lord Ramachandra rules the world. Text 18 and 19. Text 19 is written in board. So first I am reading 18, there is no purport. Tata urdhvam brahmacharyam charayan ajuhot prabhu त्रयोदशाब्द सहस्रम अग्निहोत्रम अखंडितम। After Mother Sita entered the earth, Lord Ramachandra observed complete celibacy and performed an uninterrupted Agnihotra Yajna for 13,000 years. Text 19. Smaratam हृदि विन्यस्य विद्धं दण्डकाकण्टकैः सोपाद पर्लवं राम आत्मज्योतिर अगात् ततः स्मरतां हृदि विन्यस्य विद्धं दण्डककण्टकैः सोपादपल्लवं राम आत्मज्योतिरगात् ततः। Word meaning. Smaratam, of persons who always think of him. Hridhi, in the core of the heart. Vinyasya, placing. Viddham, pierced. Dandakakantakai, by thorns in the forest of Dandakaranya. While Lord Ramachandra was living there. Sopada Parlavam, the petals of his lotus feet. Rama, Lord Ramachandra. Atmajyotihi, the rays of his bodily luster, known as the Brahmajyoti. Agat, entered. Tataha, beyond the Brahmajyoti. Or in his own Vaikuntha planet. Translation and purport by Divine Grace Abhay Charana Arvind Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Translation. After completing the sacrifice, Lord Ramachandra, whose lotus feet were sometimes pierced by thorns when he lived in Dandakaranya, placed those lotus feet in the hearts of those who always think of him. Then he entered his own abode, the Vaikuntha planet, beyond the Brahmajyoti. Please repeat. After completing the sacrifice, Lord Ramachandra, whose lotus feet were sometimes pierced by thorns when he lived in Dandakaranya, placed those lotus feet in the hearts of those who always think of him. Then he entered his own abode, the Vaikuntha planet, beyond the Brahmajyoti. Purport. The lotus feet of the Lord are always a subject matter for meditation for devotees. Meditation for devotees. Sometimes when Lord Ramchandra wandered in the forest of Dandakaranya, thorns pricked his lotus feet. The devotees, upon thinking of this, would faint. The Lord does not feel pain or pleasure from any action or reaction of his reaction of this material world. But the devotees cannot tolerate even the pricking of the Lord's lotus feet by a thorn. This was the attitude of the gopis when they thought of Krishna wandering in the forest with pebbles and grains of sand that pricking his lotus feet. This tribulation in the heart of the devotee cannot be understood by karmis, jnanis or yogis. The devotees who could not tolerate even thinking of the Lord's lotus feet being pricked by a thorn we are again put into tribulation by thinking of Lord's disappearance. For the Lord had to return to his abode after finishing his pastimes in this material world. The word Atma Jyoti is significant. The Brahma Jyoti, which is greatly appreciated by jnanis or monistic philosophers who desire to enter it for liberation, is nothing but the rays of the Lord's body. Jasya prabha prabhavato jagadanda koti koti su asesa vasudhadi vibhuti bhinnam tad brahma niskalam anantam asesa bhutam govindam adi purusam tamahang bhajami. I worship Govinda, the primeval Lord, who is endowed with great power. The glowing effulgence of his transcendental form is the impersonal Brahman, which is absolute, complete and unlimited, and which displays the varieties of countless planets with their different opulences in millions and millions of universes. Brahma Samhita 540. The Brahma Jyoti is the beginning of the spiritual world, and beyond the Brahma Jyoti are the Vaikuntha planets. In other words, the Brahma Jyoti stays outside the Vaikuntha planets, just as the sunshine stays outside the sun. To enter the sun planet, one must go through the sunshine. Similarly, when the Lord or his devotees enter the Vaikuntha planets, they go through the Brahma Jyoti. The jnanis or monistic philosophers, because of their impersonal conception of the Lord, cannot enter the Vaikuntha planets. But they also cannot stay eternally in the Brahma Jyoti. Thus, after some time, they fall again to this material world. Aruhya krutshena param padam tataha patanti adho anadrita jasmat angraya. Bhagavatam 10:32. The Vaikuntha planets are covered by the Brahma Jyoti, and therefore one cannot properly understand what those Vaikuntha planets are unless one is a pure devotee. Hare Krishna. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shailakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurubhe Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुः श्रीयुतापदकमलम् श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथानितं तं सजीवम् साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपदान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखानितांश्च नमो ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषः शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे नवमहावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नामिने गौरतिशै नमः हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेशः गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमस्तुते तप्त काञ्चन गौरांगी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। स्मरतां हृदि विन्यस्य विद्धं दण्डककण्टकैः सोपादपल्लवं राम आत्मज्योतिरगात्ततः। After completing the sacrifice, Lord Ramchandra, whose lotus feet were sometimes pierced by thorns, when he lived in the Nakaranya, placed those lotus feet in the hearts of those who always think of him. When he entered his own abode, the Vaikuntha planet, beyond the Brahmajyoti. Hare Krishna. So here is description of Lord Ramchandra. Rama ruled the world. Lord Ramchandra is well known as an ideal ruler, as Maryada Purushottama. In our Vedic culture, we see there three Purushottama. One is Maryada Purushottama, here is Ramchandra. Then there is Lila Purushottama. Who is Lila Purushottama? Krishna. We cannot imitate pastimes of Krishna, but Ramchandra is very ideal. We can follow whom? Ramchandra. But we can follow the instructions of Krishna, but cannot imitate his pastimes. Like his dance with Gopi and so many things. Anyhow, he is Lila Purushottam. But Ramchandra is Maryada Purushottam. He is an ideal king, he is an ideal father, he is an ideal husband, everything. His activities are very ideal. Any general person can follow his footsteps. And there is another Purushottam. Who? Maryada Purushottam and Lila Purushottam. Then Prema Purushottam. Who is Prema Purushottam? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is a Supreme Personality of Godhead, but he appeared as a devotee. And he distributed profusely Krishna Prem, love of Godhead. So, anyhow, we are reading about description is given about Lord Ramachandra. So, after Lord Ramchandra came to Ajodhya, so there Raj Abhishek, he was appointed as a king of Ajodhya. That time the entire planet was ruled from Ayodhya. The Suryavanshi kings, especially those are son coming from the Sun dynasty, they made their kingdom Ayodhya. Those are from Chandravanshis, from dynasty of Moon, they made their capital Delhi. Indraprastha or Hastinapur. So here is the description of the kings from Sun dynasty. And starting from Ikhyako, just Krishna told the Bhagavad Gita in 4th chapter beginning, he is telling, Imam Vivaswati Yogang Praktavan Aham Abhyayam Vivaswani Manava Praho Manu Ikhyako Abravit. This dynasty was in Sun dynasty. Later on Gita spoken to Arjuna. Arjuna is from Moon dynasty. So anyhow, so when Ramchandra appointed as emperor of the world, then he performed so many yajnas, because it was Tretaya, and Tretaya Yuga there is also Yuga Dharma. When the Supreme Lord appeared, he also followed the Yuga Dharma. What was Yuga Dharma for Tretaya Yuga? Yajna. Kritecha dhyayata Vishnu Tretayang jajate makhai dvaparang paricharjayang kalautat Hari Kirtana. This is verse from Bhagavatam, 12th canto. So, told in a age of Satya Yuga, there is a Yuga Dharma was meditation, transcendental meditation. People were going to Himalayas, to the Badrika ashram, and in those areas in Himalaya they are practicing meditation, yoga and meditation for thousands and thousands of years, because their life was very long, their long span of life, 1 lakh year, 100,000 years, they are living in this body. So in Tretaya Yuga, the Yuga Dharma was Yajna. Kritecha dhyayata Vishnu Tretayang jajate mukhai. Why? Why not meditation in Tretaya Yuga? Lifespan was reduced 10 times. It became 10,000 years in Tretaya Yuga. And that is also, people also started, in the end of the Satya Yuga, people started smoking. So that's why they cannot meditate. When someone is smoking or taking intoxicants, cannot meditate. That's why, because people started breaking one of the regulative principle. There is no intoxication, but people started drinking liquor or the intoxication, so meditation has gone. That's why they are introduced in Tretaya Yuga, Yajna. Then Dwapara there was Yuga Dharma, Archana, worship in Pancharatrika Vidhi, following the instructions of Narada Muni, Pancharatrika Vidhi, then worship. Deity worship was the Yuga Dharma for Dwapara. What is the lifespan of Dwapara Yuga? 1,000 years, he knows. So anyhow, so Yuga Dharma was, why it is Yuga Dharma, why not Yajna? Why there is deity worship? Why not Yajna? Because one of the mercy has gone, because people started cutting animals. In name of Yajna, they killed animals and started eating meat. Only purposely eating meat, but by outwardly they are doing Yajna by name. So that's why, because they lost they break the another principle of mercy. That truth, there is tapaha, austerity, then mercy, then cleanliness, and what? No gambling. These 4 principles. So because they started in name of Yajna, they started killing animals. They are no qualified Brahmana, and so Yajna was in the end of Tretaya. Yajna was finished. Dwapara, then deity worship started. But with deity worship, if someone is not clean, he cannot do deity worship. People become contaminated by illicit relations. That's why that also gone. In Kali Yuga, there is only one remain, truthfulness. These people, that's why in this age, Yuga Dharma is Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama iva kevalam kalau nasteiva, 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 gati dandata. There is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way. So anyhow, because it was Tretaya Yuga, so Ramachandra, you see the Lord also, and he taught the Yuga Dharma also. Nar Narayana, Narayana Rishi came, he is the Supreme Personality Godhead, he came in Satya Yuga and by meditation, he personally meditate, teach others how to perform Yuga Dharma, meditation. Tretaya, Ramachandra also performing Yajnas. Dwapara, Krishna himself gave order to Vajranath to establish deities, different places. In Braja we have 20 deities, more than 20 deities established by Vajranath. Even Madana Mohana, Govinda, Gopinath, Srinathji, so many deities. It is all from Dwapara Yuga. Even Udupi Krishna, there is so many deities are from Dwapara. So, and Kali Yuga, that's why Lord Chaitanya came and he preached the Yuga Dharma. What is Yuga Dharma? Externally, he has himself performed Sankirtan, Nama Sankirtan. Then he preached everywhere. He traveled in South India, so many places. So anyhow, because Tretaya Yuga, Ramachandra was performing so many yajnas. How many years? 11,000. 13,000. Not 11. 13,000 years Ramachandra performed yajnas. He is just going and performing yajnas. Then finally he decided to enter in Nitya Leela. What is the name of the abode of Lord Ramachandra? Saket Dham, Ajodhya. There is also called Ajodhya or Saket. There are so many Vaikuntha planets in spiritual world. As many names of Lord Vishnu that we see in Vishnu Sahasranam, every Vishnu name has one Vishnu planet. And not all Vishnu in one planet. There is no difference. But still, Bhamana Deva's loka is different. Nrsimha Deva's loka is different. Like this, different names. Vishnu, Narayana, Krishna, Vaikuntha, Vishtarasrava, Damodara, Husikesa, Kesava, Madhava, Subhu, Daityari, Pundarikakhya, Govinda, Garuda, Dhaja, Pitambara, Achyuta Sangin, Vishwaksena, Janardana, so many names. Every name has one planet, different planets. So, but above all the Vaikuntha planets, there is Saketa Dham. Ramachandra, above Ramachandra Dham, there is Golaka. Even if you see the transcendental map of the spiritual world, you see this in Goloka Vrindavan, then this Ramachandra's planet is just within Goloka Vrindavan. In Goloka Vrindavan planet, down, person you see, there is Saket, Ramachandra's planet. So, anyhow, so Ramachandra is known as Marjada Purush, he is very ideal. So, when he is, the verse is telling, no, sorry, in 18 verse 18 they told that that after Mother Sita entered the earth, Lord Ramachandra observed complete celibacy and performed an uninterrupted Agnihotra Yajna for 13,000 years. Because Ramachandra, Sita was that time where? Where is Sita? Sita was in Valmiki ashram. Because Ramachandra gave up her association because of the public criticism. So many, because he was an ideal king. So he saw this, the citizens of Ajodhya, they are criticizing him. Because Sita Devi was 14 years in where? In Ravana's. Ravana was just stolen Sita, and Sita was staying in Asoka forest in Ramachandra, in Lanka. So there is some, they're not all people, but because of the Sudras. The Varnasrama, there is 4 types of people. Brahmanas, first class, second class, Kshatriyas, then Vaishyas, then Sudras. He told that but the Sudras must be always engaged in physical service. If you will not engage them in physical service, they will criticize others, they will do so many things. Brahmanas, they chant, they samadama tapasaucha or jajana jajana patana patana dana pratigraha. They engage in this. They don't blaspheme others, not criticize others. Brahmanas are very pious, in mood of goodness. And Kshatriyas, they are also busy in his their work. They don't criticize the unnecessarily someone, like they cannot criticize the activities of the Supreme Lord. And Vaishyas are also busy in where? For money making. Krushi, Gorakhya, Vanijya, all these things. But the Sudras, they should serve others. Paricharyatmaka kriya. They must be engaged in serving others. And their little interruption, there is some they are not fully engaged, then they will criticize others. That happened. This Dhobi was same. There is a washerman. Washerman was blaspheming his or chastising his own wife, because his wife went somewhere and they could not return back on the same night to her house. So her husband, this washerman, was chastising, telling that, do you thinking I am a handspack husband like a Ramchandra? His wife went somewhere and they are staying with Ravana shelter for 14 years, then still he accepted him. So Ramchandra was traveling in a night time, hiding his own, just dressing himself as a common citizen. He was who are the common people who are talking about administration or king. Then when he heard this, when he heard this, then he became very shocked. So anyhow, after Ramchandra gave up the association of Mother Sita, and then Mother Sita gave birth to two children, Lava and Kusa. That was in Valmiki's ashram. So anyhow, there are many things in Ramayana. There is fighting also. Lava, Kusa, they defeated all the armies of Ramchandra, including Lakshmana, Bharata, Satrughna, and all other armies. Even Hanuman. They imprisoned Hanuman. They also took to Sita. Hanuman is monkey. So Sita was surprised how this getting so much power, because they are son of Lord Ramchandra. Finally Ramchandra came, and there was compromise. Valmiki came with Sita and asked Ramchandra to accept Sita again. But Ramchandra told, I want another. I want to examine Sita again. She has to enter to the fire. If she is really chaste, she should enter to fire, and if fire could not burn her, then he will prove that she is chaste. But this time Sita became very frustrated. He already gave examination before coming to Ajodhya in Lanka. Then he asking again to. So she just prayed to the Mother Earth, because the King Janaka, he got Sita from earth. So Mother Earth, she prayed to Mother Earth, please give me shelter. I am so much harassed in this material world, in this earth planet. So Mother personally personified the Bhu Shakti. He is the Bhu Shakti of the Lord. Mother Earth appeared with a throne, and Sita just with Mother Earth disappeared. When this message come to Ramchandra, he became very disturbed. He chastised the Mother Earth, return back my Sita, otherwise I will destroy everything. But anyhow, Brahma and other Valmiki, they pacified him. So, but after that he come back to Ajodhya, then he performed Yajnas, Yugadharma for Tateya for how many years? 13,000 years. Then finally he decided to enter in Nitya Lila to his own abode. And it is famous that when Ramchandra entered Nitya Lila, he took all the citizens of Ajodhya also to his own abode. That is the duty of a king. In a forthcoming verses, there is a Sukadeva Goswami described. Nadhi vyadhi jara glani dukha shokha bhaya klama mrityu anichchata manasti Rama rajani Adhokyaja. When there is Supreme Personality of Godhead, Adhokyaja, which is beyond our sense perception, when he was the ruler of this planet, then there is the people, citizens were not suffering with three types of miseries: Adhidaivik, Adhyatmik and Adhibhautik kleshas. They are not suffering. They are very happy. They are Nadhi Vyadhi, they have no disease on this body. They are always very healthy, like the demigods. They are very effulgent, healthy. Nadhi Vyadhi Jara Glani, they are not Jara. Jara means old age. They always looks like young. Jara Glani, they are no what? Not anxiety. Jara Glani Dukkha Soka Bhayaklam. They are not fearful. They are not Dukkha. Dukkha means they have no misery. They are no miserable condition. Soka, they are not lamenting. They are always very happy. Mrityu Anischatam Nasti. Even the death cannot, or Jamaraj cannot enter. Jamaraj cannot enter in the kingdom of Lord Rama. So one can die if he wants to die. Ichha Mrityu. In Dwapara there is only one Ichha Mrityu. Who? Bhismadev. But when Ramchandra was ruling, citizens, they die when they desire. Mrityu Anichatam Nasti. Rama Rajani Adhokyaje. And even Ramchandra, also when the citizen, he went himself to his own abode, he took all the citizens of Ajodhya to his abode. That is the duty of a king. Nowadays we see so many kings, and the kings are ruling, but they are only promising in during election time, if you give us vote, we will give you roti, kapda or makan. The bodily necessities. They don't know that king's duty also to enliven the citizens to spiritual platform. To see that citizens are getting qualified to return back to Godhead after their death. But that was also king's duty. So here the verse is telling that after completing the sacrifice, Lord Ramchandra, whose lotus feet were sometimes pierced by thorns when he was lived in Dandakaranya, he placed those lotus feet in the heart of those who always think of him. Because the devotees, they have no other business. They are always meditate on the lotus feet of Krishna. Sadhava Hrudayamayang Sadhunang Hrudayetu Aham Mat Anyati Najananti Nahang Tebhya Managapi. Krishna told this verse to Durvasa. When he offended to the Ambarish Maharaj, then he went to Narayan. And Narayan told, no, my devotee always lived in my heart. I am always living in the heart of my devotee. My devotee did not know anything except me. I do not know anything except my devotee. So that's why those who are pure devotee of Lord Ramchandra, they are always meditating on the lotus feet of Lord Ramchandra. How this deity worship started? Because this deity worship also started in Tretaya by Ramchandra. Because there was one Brahmana in Ajodhya, he was not eating or drinking anything unless eating the Charanamrita of Ramchandra, unless worshipping Ramchandra, not after having his darshan, taking his Charanamrita, then he eats something. So when sometimes for some official work or something, Ramchandra went out of Ajodhya, then that Brahmana was fasting. Even sometimes 15 days from time, 1 month, months and months he cannot eat anything. Then when Ramchandra come to know this about this, he called this Brahmana. Then he gave him his deity form. He told, in my absence, you can worship this deity. You can bathe this deity and you can drink Charanamrita. So that is now we are also doing. This is non-different from Lord himself. So in this way, Lord Ramchandra placed his feet in the heart of his pure devotees. Because the pure devotees, you are always meditating on the Lord. And here is another thing, is telling that those you are meditating on that lotus feet, sometimes they're pierced by thorns. Prabhupada wrote in purport that even this type of thoughts also in Vrindavan, when Krishna was going into herding cows, going to forest, herding cows, then gopis also meditating like this, on the lotus feet of Krishna. Lord in the forest, but sitting in their home, gopis were also, there are two verses in Gopi Git, first in 11th verse and also concluding verse. They singing, Chala Sijad Brajan, Charayan Pasun, Nalina Sundarang, Natha Te Padam, Sila Trinankurai, Sidati Tina, Kalila Tangmana, Kanta Gachati. Gopis also meditating, telling, oh, Lord, when you went to forest for herding cows, Charayan Pasun, your lotus feet were so soft and so beautiful, but still our heart was pierced. We are thinking that situation when there is thorns, Shila Trinankurai, there is pebbles, there are stones, and there is also dry grass, and like serpent like thorns. So when they are entering to a pit, they just pass to your feet. Shila Trinankurai, then we are our mind become very disturbed when we think about this. So here is also the devotees are always meditating on Krishna. Prabhupada is telling, though the Lord has nothing to do, the Lord does not feel pain or pleasure from any action or reactions of this material world, but the devotees cannot tolerate even the pricking of the Lord's lotus feet by a thorn. This was the attitude of the gopis when they thought of Krishna wandering in the forest. So in this way, the pure devotees of Lord Ramchandra, they are also very much disturbed. But Lord Ramchandra was very merciful. Anyone come to his shelter, he never refused. We remember this situation when Bibhisana came in shelter of Ramachandra, because Bibhisana was a devotee and he advised his brother Ravana, just surrender to Ramachandra, return back Sita. The Ravana became very angry. He kicked out him from Lanka, from his kingdom, his brother. Then Bibhisana with another 4 his followers, they come, they are flying in the sky. Then just staying in the sky, they approach for shelter at the lotus feet of Ramachandra. And then Ramachandra asked different people, everyone telling, no, don't believe this man. He is a demon, his brother of Ravana. They maybe have so many plans. We cannot believe these demons. Don't give him shelter. Because they have also weapons in their hand. So, don't believe. But when he asked to Hanuman, Hanuman told no. He suggested, maybe, Lord, you can think yourself independently what to do. Then the famous verse Ramchandra told, Sukrateva prapannayastava chajachate abhayam sarvada tasmai dadami etat vratam mama. This is my brata. This is my vow. Anyone come to my shelter, I definitely give him shelter in my feet. I cannot refuse anyone. This is my vow. Whether he may, then when Bibhisana just come down, Lord told him, yes, you are welcome. Come down. And fell down at the lotus feet of Ramachandra. Ramachandra blessed him. And immediately he declared him as the king of Lanka. He took a new cloth and just put on his head. And immediately declared, from today you are appointed as the king of Lanka. this is a, so you observe others thinking what will happen. Even our Ravana also came and fell down at your feet. Asked, oh Lord, please give me shelter. If Ravana came with Sita and surrender, then what you will do? Now you make Vibhishana the king of Lanka. Then Lord told, don't worry, Ajodhya is there. I can give the Ajodhya to Ravana. So this is Lord Ramchandra, so merciful, in Marjada Purushottama. That's why he was, even he can allow the devotees just meditating on his lotus feet, day and night. And the Ravana, I was told that Ramchandra was Marjada Purushottama. He is such a, and the devotees of Lord Ramchandra, they never gave up lotus feet of Ramchandra. You cannot convert them into Krishna Bhakta. You can convert Narayana Bhaktas, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu converted Venkat Bhattas in a Srirangam, worshipper of Lakshmi Narayana to Krishna Bhakta. Whole family they become Krishna Bhakta. But if you try to a Ram Bhakta, you cannot do. Ram Bhakta is very staunch. They cannot give up the lotus feet of Lord Ramchandra. Just like younger brother of Rupa and Sanatan. Rupa Sanatan was Krishna Bhakta, but he told his younger brother, Anupam, please become a Krishna Bhakta. We will all together sit down and discuss Bhagavatam, all these things. He told, okay, but next day come, no, I cannot give up the lotus feet of Raghunath. I have been sold at his lotus feet. Similarly, Murari Gupta, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Murari Gupta, I have gave up the worship of Lord and this Sitaram. Just surrendered to Krishna. We are all Krishna Bhaktas, become a Krishna Bhakta. Murari Gupta could not tell anything, just went, but the whole night he was crying, just meditating on Lord Ramchandra's lotus feet. Next day he come, he told, oh Lord, Chaitanya, I am going to Ganges. I want to commit suicide. I cannot live in this material world because I could not follow your instruction. You told me to become a Krishna Bhakta, but it is not possible for me. I cannot give up lotus feet of Lord Ramchandra. Then Lord Chaitanya pacified him. I am just testing you. Why you are worried? You are Hanuman. How can you give up lotus feet of Ramchandra? So Ramchandra's devotee is very staunch. Because his Lord is also very merciful. Ramchandra also take care of his devotees very nicely. So that's why when Lord decided to enter, it is mentioned that he placed those lotus feet in the hearts of those who always think of him. Then he entered his own abode, the Vaikuntha planet, beyond the Brahmajyoti. So among all the devotees of Ramachandra, who is topmost devotee? Everyone knows Hanuman. But did Ramchandra took Hanuman to the spiritual world? No. He told Hanuman, you stay here and you preach. Go on preaching. That's why the person who returned back to Godhead, he is a greater devotee, or who stay and go on preaching, he is a better devotee. So you want to stay here? If you are better devotee than you would like to stay, let's everyone go to spiritual world and you stay here. Anyhow, one time Srila Prabhupada, one devotee here in Vrindavan, very senior devotee, so asked to Prabhupada, he told Prabhupada, I don't want to return back to Godhead. I don't want to return back to Godhead. I want to stay here and go on preaching. I will be always go on serving you. Janma Janme Prabhu say, you are my Lord. Birth after birth, I will go on serving you. Preaching. But Prabhupada told, my Guru Maharaj, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur told, he Divine Grace Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur told, this material world is not a place for a gentleman. I don't want to stay here. Don't make me come back again. Just return back to Godhead. Just, there is no chance, just in one lifetime, just return back. Don't imitate Hanuman and Prahlad. They are some different. Prahlad Maharaj told like this also to Nrsimhadeva. And Hanuman also, Lord also left Hanuman here. Still, that's why people still wandering Hanuman. They find somewhere. Many people they find Hanuman somewhere. He's there. So, then Lord entered to his own abode, that is beyond Brahmajyoti. Then Prabhupada writing in purport about this little Brahmajyoti, how the Jnanis, and they are thinking their supreme destination is Brahmajyoti, to enter Brahmanohi Pratisthaham, even in Gita, 14th chapter, Krishna is telling. But they want to enter Brahmajyoti. They have no experience about Vaikuntha world. But those who have even entered to the Brahmajyoti, but they cannot stay there permanently. Aruhya Krutshena Param Padam Tatah Patanti Adho Anadrita Jasmat Angraya. So they cannot stay there. They have to compel to fall down again into this material world. So that's why there is among the three types of spiritualists, Brahmeti, Paramatmeti, Bhagavaniti Sabdete. So those who are Jnanis, their destination is Brahmajyoti. And those are Yogis, they Paramatma, they go to Vishnu. Then Kshirodakasai Vishnu, he is Paramatma. Then destination of a devotee is the Supreme Lord, Bhagavan. So as the Krishna Bhakta, our destination is where? Who is our worshipable Lord? Ramachandra? No. Maybe some Ram Bhakta. Because in ISKCON temple we have also Ramachandra's altar. Many temples have Sitaram. Some devotees of Ramachandra also there. So anyhow, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teachings is Aradhya Bhagavan Braje Satanaya Tadhama Vrindavanam Ramya Kachidupasana Brajavadhu Vargena Jakalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam Amalam Prema Pumarthamahan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhur Matamidam Tatrodharana Para. This beautiful verse compiled by Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur. He told our worshipable Lord is Brajendra Nandan Krishna Aradhya Deva Braje Satanaya. Similarly, his pastime place Vrindavan is worshipable for us, and we have to follow the footprints of Brajabadhus, Brajagopis or Brajavasis to achieve the lotus feet of Krishna. You have to learn how to love Krishna. The goal of life is Prema Pumartha Mahan. Krishna Bhaktas, they reject all other this Sajoja Mukti or any other. They even Kapila Deva told Diyamananga Gudnanti Vinamat Sevanang Jana. Our goal is to serve, go on serving the Supreme Lord. So to achieve Prema at the lotus feet of Krishna. So in this way, just our goal, how to please Krishna and not to please Atmendriya Prativancha Tare Kahi Kam. Krishnendriya Prativancha Dhare Prem Naam. This is Prem, love of Godhead. Our goal is simply to please the Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, not to please our senses. To please the senses of Krishna, that is bhakti. Rishikena Rishikesa Sevanam Bhakti Ruchyate. Hare Krishna. Any question or comment? Yes. Mike.
Thank you for a wonderful class, Maharaj. And please pardon the question, but I'm not being able to reconcile something. You were mentioning that in Ayodhya, when Sri Ram was present, there was Ichha Mrityu for everyone. But there is one passage where a citizen comes and says that his son has died before him, and that's because there's something wrong in Sri Ram's administration. So how could that happen?
That is not a this is not a general case, very rarely, sometimes. But anyhow, this also happens sometimes in Dwarka also. One Brahmana claiming how his son is dying. So that is Very rare, some special case. There is not general case. Huh? Anyhow, I am not going detail about this. Any other question? Yes. He is taking mic. You can speak in mic.
Hare Krishna.
Yes.
Maharaj, I wonder if you could kindly explain Lochan Das Thakur's line, Jai Gaur Shri Krishna Shri Jagannath, and understanding all the Lord's incarnations and the moods that the devotees have towards these different incarnations of the Lord.
Okay. It is not Lochan Das told. Who told? Vasudeva Ghosa kahe, Kari jodo hath, Jai Gaur Shri Krishna Shri Jagannath. Vasudeva Ghosa, the famous song. So anyhow, so Jai Gaura Sai Krishna Sai Jagannath. He is now it is Lord Jagannath is from time immemorial. Also Krishna also and Lord Gauranga also. They have their in planets, in spiritual planets. They are coming from there, their own abode. But Lord Krishna is Lila Purushottam, and even Lord Jagannath, he stays in his temple, in Jagannath temple in Puri. He is also everywhere, but still there. There he is staying from time immemorial, even before Dwapar, before Krishna appeared. There is Krishna Balaram also. Balaram Subhadra, this is from time immemorial, from Satya Yuga. He was established there, and the worship started by Maharaj Indradimna. Satya Yuga, he is there. But he is Daru Brahma. He is just staying there as a Daru Brahma. He is a wooden form. But he is also Supreme Lord. He can, one can go in any Yuga, any time and get darshan of Jagannath. He is in 4 Yugas, always there. But Krishna came in Dwapara, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Kali Yuga. Same time they are also same. Jagannath. There is different mood and different pastimes. Lord Krishna has different mood. He is a Lila Purushottam. And Jagannath is different mood. He is supplying prasadam for everyone. Anyone can go by simply. Daru Jala Rupe Krishna Prakata Samprati. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. He told Daru Brahma Rupe Krishna Prakata Samprati Darasane Snane Kare Jagat Jaye Kare Darasane Snane Kare Jagate Mukati. He is liberating everyone by simply giving his darshan. Simply seeing the Lord Jagannath, one get liberated. By eating his prasad, Mahaprasad, one can get liberation very easily. But he is Achala Jagannath, he is Achala Brahma, he just stay in one side, in one place. But he is Sachala Brahma, who is who? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You are same Jagannath, but you are traveling. He is giving mercy everywhere, preaching the Yuga Dharma. So different mood also. Lord Raja Chaitanya is Krishna himself, but is taking the mood of Radharani. His internal cause also why he appeared. Externally he is preaching Yuga Dharma, but internally he is also enjoying that mood. Radhaya pranaya madhuri kidrisava naiva yena adbhuta madhurima kidrisava madiya sokhyam chasya madanu bhavata kidrisang beti lobha. He has 3 types of greed the Lord has. So this is different mood and different. This is a long topic, so I am just yes.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Maharaj, for the wonderful class. As you say, Lord Ramchandra is Maryada Purushottam, and he displays some qualities which we should follow. Rightly you said that when Vibhishan came to Lord Ram, seeking his shelter,
yes,
and Here Lord Ram asks the advice of men, people around him, and he did give shelter to division. In material world, when we are in situations where we had been cheated by people, we had been betrayed by people, and the same people coming back to us,
Yes.
asking for help or any kind of favor, and we know that they will cheat us again. Then also what we should do?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I understand. So a Vaishnava, if someone commit offense to a Vaishnava, then they come back for forgiveness. What you will do? You have to forgive him. If you will not forgive him, you yourself become a offender. This Vaishnava is very merciful. He knows, but if he will come, but he will pray for him to the Lord. He will excuse him. Sometimes he sincerely pray to the Lord. Oh Lord, please make him just reduce his bad qualities, make him an ideal person. You have to pray to Krishna for also. Because we have envious within, we have little envy within, so we cannot pray for him. We have to pray for him to also change his qualities. But Vaishnava always become very merciful. He immediately excuse him. Like Durvasa come back to Ambarish, immediately excuse him. A devotee never think anyone else is offender. Rather he is thinking, there are so many offenses, so many bad qualities within me. He will examine himself always. So it is our duty to excuse him. If you will not excuse, you tell no excuse, get out, then you become an offender. He become free from offenses. Understand? So you have to excuse. Okay?
Hare Krishna Maharaj, one question.
Yes.
I wanted to know, you described 3 Purushottams, Maryada Purushottam, Leela Purushottam and Prem Purushottam. So Leela Purushottam and Prem Purushottam comes once in a Brahma's day. And what about Lord Ramchandra?
Ramchandra also came in the same particular Manu. Who is Manu? Vaivaswata Manu. वैवस्वत नामयी सप्तमनंतर 27 चतुर्युग ताहार अंतर 28 चतुर्युग द्वापर शेषे धामेर सहित है कृष्णेर प्रकाशे. कृष्ण appeared in the 28 yuga cycle of Vaivaswata Manu. In Dwapara there come Krishna, and Tretaya came Rama. Rama also not coming every yuga chakra. He also come once in Brahma's lifetime, Brahma's day, one day of Brahma. One time also Ramchandra came from Saket Dham. But there is Jugavatar in Tretaya, also Jugavatar in Dwapara. They come every Dwapara and every Tretaya. Like Krishna also came from in every Dwapara there is also Krishna came, but he is not Shyamasundar Krishna. He not came from Goloka. He came from a Krishna Loka in this Vaikuntha planet. There is also Krishna Loka. And that Krishna looks like color of tota. What means tota? Means parrot color, the green leaves color. That Krishna come every. Similarly, Ramchandra also in Tretaya, he come, but he is not Durbadala Ram, not in that color, not greenish, little difference. So in this way, Ramchandra also came. The real Rama from Saket, he also came once in a Brahma day. Okay? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय. कृष्ण बलराम की जय. राधा श्याम सुंदर ललिता विशाखा की जय. निताय गौर प्रेमानंदी. हरि हरि बोल.